Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this cute heart braid updo. This one is easy to do and great for beginners. First you need the middle parting, then I create little curvy partings to the both sides. These are for the hearts. After that, I take the another part and spray some water so it's easier to braid. Then I take small piece of hair like this, share it in 3 equal pieces and start to braid. Move strands alternately from side to side, under to the middle. So right under, then left under, and on left side I will add always some hair. Right under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this pattern like this until you added the whole piece inside the braid. At this point, I stop adding hair and then I just braid until the braid will reach on the place I want the updo. Next, I repeat the same to the another side. Take again small piece of hair and share that in 3 equal pieces. Then start to braid like a Dutch braid, bringing strands alternately from side under to the middle, and on this side I move the left strand under without adding, and when I move the right strand under I add small piece of hair. That's how I can make the braid curve to the opposite direction on this side. So left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. And keep on repeating like this again until you added the whole section in. And then just continue braiding until the both braids are symmetrical and on the same length, so they will reach easily inside the updo. Put all the hair to the ponytail, and then I will create the updo. I spread the hair and create the loop using the bubble. Spread the loop to get more volume for the updo. And after that, I take a small piece of hair at a time and slip the end of the hair inside the bubble, pull the end through, and then take more hair. Flip through and bring the end of the hair again if your hair is that long that they don't slip nicely inside. Then just keep on repeating this until you have no hair left. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!